Hi, I'm Terry from the science team at Sunday. Today, we're talking about fall lawn care. Winter can be really tough on your lawn, but luckily, there's a few easy things that you can do to help your lawn get through it. Fall lawn care is really about 4 easy steps: reduce, remove, seed, and stop. The first thing to do when the leaves start falling is to reduce your mowing height. Cutting lower at the end of the season will help limit lawn disease and snow mold. You want to lower your mower blade little by little so that you are only trimming off about 1/3 of the grass length with each cut. As temperatures drop, your grass growth will slow down, and your mowing schedule should slow down with it. Just make sure your last cut of the season leaves your lawn at about 2 to 3 inches. Next, remove weeds. Many weeds are actually at the weakest point of their life cycle during the fall season, so it's an ideal time to pull them. Now that you've cut your grass to the right length and removed your weeds, it's time to seed. For bare patches, you can fill in any exposed soil with seed, sprig, sod, or plugs. If you have a cool season lawn, fall is a great time to overseed. It'll help thicken up your lawn and fill in any thin areas. Patching and seeding is one of the best ways to naturally defend against spring weeds and lawn problems. And it's really as easy as throwing a handful of seed. For problem areas, just make sure to put seed in direct contact with the soil. For everywhere else, just spread it on and water. The last thing you have to do is stop. That's right, just stop. After your seed has been watered to germination, it's time to reduce or stop irrigation for the season. This helps you maintain your watering systems, saves costs on your water bill, and helps conserve water. Once you've stopped mowing, removed weeds, seeded your lawn, and stopped watering, it's time to let nature take care of the rest. For more information, check out our blog, The Shed, or contact one of our lawn advisors.